Hi everyone, my name is Korosh Erfani. I am sociologist and the writer of the book Infinitylogy, and also another book called Infinitism. In this set of videos, I would like to start reading the book Infinitylogy and explaining it. I was thinking that if we make a public lecture of the book, it would be an opportunity to discuss about the different aspects, and it will provide the news idea about what could be the complementary elements for such a thing. So that's why I start today with this part 1 to read the book step by step and to explain that, and then if there are the questions, you can send me the questions and we will discuss about that. So the book is in several parts. I already made a video in which I presented the book generally with the table of contents, and we start with the foreword, which is the first section of the book. So we are saying that this book is about infinity. All the books and programs that we produced, and in general the core of this project I am working on is the notion of infinity. That's why Infinitylogy could not be but about the infinity. So it will suggest some embryonic ideas for a new interdisciplinary field of study called Infinitylogy. So here in this book I try to present the first set of ideas, very basic, embryonic, but the first set of ideas that had been gathered regarding the infinity in such a way that we can start examining the possibility or not of establishing a new discipline called Infinitylogy. This is an attempt to marry philosophy, science, and technology to turn infinitude into a well-known and operative actuality. So the idea is that this discipline called Infinitylogy will join 3 different fields of the human knowledge: philosophy, science, and technology. And the objective is effectively to see if we can find a solution to take knowledge of the infinitude in a systematic way, and also if we can make this notion of infinitude operational, right? Something usable, something practical or not. Infinitylogy refers to the systematic production of knowledge of infinity. So the objective is we can find a system of production of knowledge on infinity. Why? Because until now the infinity had been a very conceptual idea, very conceptual reality, but we didn't take it seriously as something that we can work on. So here the objective is how we can systematically produce the knowledge about the infinity in such a way that at a given moment we will see if it can become operational or not. We hint at a comprehensive set of methodologies that will harness the complex flow of infinitude within matter to make possible its utilization. So I have to say that here we are talking about the methodologies, and it's plural. Why it's plural? Because in a previous set of video when we were working on the book of the Professor Feyerabend, we saw against method. We saw that for such a complex subject like the infinity, it would be better that we don't use one single mythology or one single methodological system, but the mythologies, several mythologies, and if necessary, many mythologies. Why? Because the infinity cannot be defined in one way, and we should be able to have the flexibility in order to take into account all the complexity and the different aspects of the infinitude. We know that we can never understand all the aspects, because it doesn't mean, when it's a question of the infinity, to use the word all. There is no all. There is many, but it's increasing, it's changing, it's evolving. So, but we know that it is necessary to use, if necessary, several mythology in order to have a better understanding of the infinitude. We want to know how this idea of the infinity is going on within the matter, within the structure of matter, and how effectively we can take into consideration this flow of infinity, and how we can at a moment be able to operate on that, to operate on this flow of infinity, and how we can make the change that are necessary, or that's the desired or the targeted change on the structure of matter in such a way that we can obtain what we want. That's the idea. Utilization means that how we can utilize our systematic knowledge to operate on the infinitude within the structure of matter. So that's the first part. I will continue the lecture of this book in the future video, and step by step we will go together in the profound part of the discussion, and we will see how really the debate and discussion and study about the infinitude and the infinity is itself infinite. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next part. Thank you.